So, in our search for the demogorgon and the upside down, we've had to travel far and wide. Whether we come out, we will not know, but hopefully soon we will be able to find the demogorgon. Today we are at the St. Louis Science Center in St. Louis, Missouri for Stranger Things First Friday. Come join us and see what we can see. Coordinates are locked in. We'll be taking off shortly. 5-7. Everything looks pretty normal so far. I see lines, long lines. Information we received from the lady at the front of the Science Center could be helpful in our journey.
Oh, there's a demogorgon.
I heard a demogorgon. We are the first in line. This is going to be amazing. This is the keys to the upside down. And I think I see 11 over there. Hi 11. That's awesome. Oh, it got the waffles. 5 minutes until this line starts moving for us. Oh my gosh, I see another 11. That is the 11th 11 that I've seen.
Let's do it. All right.
Alrighty. Alrighty, thank you. I am Steve.
I am Will. Strange things are happening in the town of Hawkins, Indiana. Only with this code can you access the upside down, reunite with your friends, and face down evil to save the day.
We're looking for the world of Mario, Donkey Kong, and Atari. Donkey Kong. And what else?
Mario.
It's me, Mario. Not here. What did you find?
I found Pac-Man.
Yes. At the old arcade. We found our first clue. 13. Oh. Oh my goodness. That is a demogorgon man satchel.
There it is.
Oh, nice. Oh wow. Cool. You never know what stuff you're gonna find here.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Only good stuff.
Merch. Whoa. That is cool. I love you guys' work. That is really neat. Got the demogorgon in 11. Whoa. We found the buyer's living room. Okay. This poor Will Byers. I see the truck, the Hawkins Police Department truck. Oh my goodness. And it looks like it's split. The top half is the normal, and the bottom half is the upside down. Oh my gosh. The little guys down there. Stay safe, little guys. Stay safe. There is a demogorgon over there. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. That is a demogorgon. Merch. Mouth breather. Who I ran into getting ice cream nonetheless. Amazing. We see another clue. 9. The arch gave us a clue. Number 9. What does it all mean? Do we know? I sweat a lot during scavenger hunts. Sheriff, thank you for keeping Hawkins safe. This gentleman is doing his due diligence on keeping Hawkins safe for us, and we really appreciate that. Smoky campfires are ideal for stargazing.
See some planets.
Find your next clue. Right there! Number 4. Moon. But hopefully soon we will be able to find the demogorgon.
You're about to go right?
The elevator would have only taken you to the bottom of the mall anyway. So we decided to take the elevator anyway.
The other one was too crowded.
The other one was too crowded, and this one doesn't look like it goes down that far. So hopefully we don't get a bunch of Russian guys trying to make movies, because that would be scary. Why did we get off here? They have left me. You have a better chance of survival whenever you're a group.
The Russians are coming!
I didn't hear anything. Hopefully this is not a work maintenance elevator.
I hope it's not full of Russians.
Hopefully not. What would you guys do? Would you guys take the elevator? Would you guys take the stairs?
There are no stairs.
Would you follow civilization? Let me know in the comments. Down there. I'm gonna do it.
Do what?
Take the stairs.
The armor's where? Oh.
Where are the stairs, we say? Stairs. Dun, dun. You hear those acoustics? How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the ground floor? Huh?
That's the Russian lab down there.
We made it. It looks like a chicken coop UFO.
Isn't that awesome?
That is awesome. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some hay. Where's a bathroom around this place? Number 2's the clue. So now that we found all the clues, we have to combine them. We'll see how that works. Once you found your code, head to the lowest level, beyond the dinosaurs, where energy flows. Use your code to gain entry to what waits in the upside down. In the upside down. In the upside down. They are trying to reach the International Space Station with their big antenna. What a shame. I thought it was Susie. Up the stairs, down the stairs, in the stairwell, through an elevator, in a deep, dark tunnel underground, brings us here. We were the first in line, not the first to finish, apparently. Things are getting really strange. Oh, hello. Okay, what do we gotta do?
To get a waffle to the basket.
One waffle.
One waffle. It's harder to do in the basket. Cheating.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's good. I'm glad. Thank you. Waffle in the basket.
No pressure.
No pressure. Yes! Oh, I made the lights come on. Welcome to Hawkins. I survived the upside down.
I survived the upside down.
It was only that easy in the show. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk through the exit to get out of the upside down. Let's go, guys. There we go. That is beautiful. Look at that demogorgon. That is amazing. The detail is awesome. That is cool. We had to find clues. All of our clues were scattered around the St. Louis Science Center. We found all of them. We put in the code and we entered the Myers house in the upside down. It was a lot of fun. We got to see lots and lots of demogorgons everywhere. It was amazing. We saw lots of characters everywhere. We did not get attacked by the demogorgon. We were able to stave him off for a little while. How long will it last? I do not know. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button whenever you guys get done and ring the bell if you want to get notified of our future content. Thanks for joining us. We went in at daylight. We will emerge in the night.
The St. Louis Science Center has First Fridays, the first Friday of every month, a different theme each month, all just super fun, geeky themes.
Somewhere, way up in the sky, could be other life forms that we have never met. But will we?